Hi, in this video we'll try to solve the producer consumer problem. It's one of the interview questions generally asked with regard to multi-threading and how wait, notify, etc. works. So let's start. Here we'll create a class called staff. Staff will have a list of integers. So these are the resources. Also let's produce our order in a set of 10. And let's give us a constructor. Let's initialize our list here. The staff will prepare our orders, so we'll be having a prepare method. Our method will throw an interrupted exception as we are going to be using wait inside. This method will be synchronized and let's initialize our order as 1. Now here comes the condition. So this is our infinite loop which goes on checking and creating. If our order list has reached the size of max order, we'll wait. Else we add to our order list. Let's put a thread.sleep inside so that we can see that the list is being added to. Also let's give a message here that the order is ready. And let's notify all the threads which are waiting for the order list to have the orders. So that's our producer part. Let's write a consumer part now. We synchronize on the same object and keep our infinite while loop started. Here the condition changes to order list dot is empty. That's if there is nothing in the list we can't consume, so we have to wait so that something comes inside the list. Else we give a nice sys out that we are consuming. So let's see. And we send a notify all. As we have an infinite loop, we can keep on doing this. So this was the crux. Let's make this methods public. Next, let's create a test to test this one out. Here we'll need our class. Let's name it as kitchen server test. Let's create a class called kitchen which will implement runnable. Here we'll reference our staff and let's call it as chef. So chef in the kitchen will produce, let's give a kitchen a constructor. This constructor will basically take a staff chef. Let's assign our references. So we have our chef and we simply need to call chef.prepare. Okay, this one will throw a interrupted exception, so we have our block here. So our chef is ready. We require somebody to serve, so let's create a server. Even this one will be implementing runnable. This and we will have a staff. Let's call it as server. Let's give server a constructor which will basically take the same reference. We need to implement run. And server.serve, let's put it in try catch. So these two things are done. Let's write our main method here. So inside a main method we'll have kitchen, so we have our staff. In the kitchen we'll give the same reference. Next we will have a server. So we have both of our runables. Let's create two threads to test them out. So let's say kthread equal to new thread, and we'll be having it use our runnable of kitchen. The next one will be the server thread, so let's say, and we'll give it as server. So next, that's the easier part. Let's start the threads. And let's see if it works. So our threads are working fine and we are serving the order as they are created in a bulk of 10. So that's how you can solve a simple producer consumer problem. It should not take much time and it's easy to understand. Thanks for watching.